Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Good morning! This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, bringing you another quote to help try and kickstart your day. And here are your words of wisdom from Daniel Monroe. Middle-aged happiness is discovering that the next load of laundry to fold is just 8 bath towels and not 46 pieces of small human clothing. Now hands up, how many of you know this feeling? It's funny the things that change as you get older, the things that come into life and how you just adapt to them. Yes, it might only be the laundry again, but the feeling, that small little moment of happiness can be truly only appreciated when you go through it. More bath towels, please, and definitely less socks.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.